Is it not? It's not easy to this suddenly start going there. It is necessary for them to plan well ahead, not only the travel and then the food, and then they didn't have any GPS. I don't know how the horses know the place. How do they even know which direction to go? They look only the sun. You have to go east. Look at the sun, keep going. No other direction. Anyway, so they have global positioning, horse positioning. Janakena samadishtaha Dutaste klantavahanaha Triratram ushita marge Ayodhyam pravishan purim Te rajavachanat gatva Rajaveshma praveshitaha Dadrushuhu deva sankasham Vruddham dasharatam nrupam Paddanjali puta sarve Duta vigata sadvasaha Rajanam prashritam vakyam Abruvan maduraksharam Maitilo janako raja Sagnihotra puraskritah Muhur maduraya Sneha saraktya gira Sneha samraktaya gira Kushalam chavyayam chaiva Saubhadyaya purohitam Janagastvam maharaja Pruchate sapurasaram Prushva kushalam vyagram Vaideho mitiladipah Kaushikanumadhe vakyam Bhavantam idam abravit Janakena samadishtaha. Adesha is command. Adesha. Adishtaha. Adishtaha, those who have been commanded. By whom? Janakena. Janakena samadishtaha dutaha. Those dutas, those messengers who have been commanded by Janaka. Klantavahanaha. Those who had klanta, tired, fatigued. Vahanaha, horses or the chariots or whatever. So they fatigued by the long distance that they have traveled. Triratram ushritaha, having stayed for 3 nights, marge, on the way, te Ayodhyam pravishan purim. Ayodhyam purim prakarshena avishan. Avishan, they entered. Wish to enter, avishan, plural. They Rajavajanat, due to the under the order of the king, that is Dasharatha, Gatva, having gone, come there. Now you understand. Rajaveshma praveshitaha. Rajaveshma means mansion. The palatial mansion of the king, praveshitaha. They have entered. Praveshitaha. Dadrushuhu. They saw. This is again another imperfect past. Dadrushuhu. They saw. Whom? Deva sankasham vruddham dasharatam nrupam. Dasharatham Dadrshuhu. They saw Dasharatha, who is like he is Nrupam, the king. He is Deva Sankasham, Deva Sadarsham, Deva Tulyam, Deva Samam. They were seeing Dasharatha, who was like a great celestial god. He was very, what do you call? He was old, all right, Vruddham, that is right. Not Vruddha by age, but by maturity. And he was looking like a saintly king who was there, and they saw him, who is very well known. Baddhanjali Putas Sarve, they wielded the prostration in front of him, Sarve, Dutaha, Vigata Sadvasaha. When they saw him, there all the tiredness and fear, everything just Vigata, gone. It's like, people who go all the way to Tirupati or any other place in Kedarnath, Badrinath. It's definitely a very fatiguing and tiring. But once they reach there, looking at the beautiful deity there, or the Gopuram, or the very, when you remember long time back when I took people to Kedarnath, 87, I think, you Apite. So we were walking up, you have to walk, go by horse. When you go there, at almost a mile before Kedarnath, when you take the turn, and you see the beautiful landscape and that temple right there, and that that beautiful temple of Kedar right in the middle of the whole region, it was such a delight. Finally, my God, after a tireful journey all the way, all the fatigue gone. It's like when we went to this Kailash also, anxious to see Manasarovar, and finally the bus stood there. Everybody jumped out of it, ran to the water only to touch it to find it was very cold. So, similarly, when they saw him, they were completely relieved of all their fatigue and fear. Rajanam prashritam vakyam abruvan maduraksharam. Prashritam, very polite, vakyam, words, speech, words. Abruvan, they spoke, maduraksharam, with very sweet letters or words they spoke to him. What do they say? Maitilo Janato Raja, this king of Maitilaha, Janakaha, Raja, Sa Agnihotra Puraskrataha, Muhurmuhu Maduraya Sneha Sneha Samraktaya Gira Kushalam cha Avyayam che Basobadya Purohidam Janakaha Tvam Maharaja Prichate. Sabur. That is one single sentence. Janakaha Prichate. That Janaka had asked, is asking, Tava Kushalam. Tvam Maharaja, Tvam Kushalam cha Avyayam. Your imperishable welfare, about which he is asked us to ask you, about the welfare of you. First thing, Kushalam. And he asked this, and whatever he said at that time was a true and very noble statement, because it said Agnihotra Puraskritaha. Agnihotra means it is said that the king, all the Brahmanas and kings and Vaishyas are all expected to every day perform this Agnihotra karma. Agnihotra is a worship of Lord's Sun. And Lord's Sun being the one who is called Vishwavit, Vedavit, and he is considered Vishwachakshuhu. He is the universal eye. He keeps watching everybody. It is considered to be the one witness who cannot be, you can never be absent. From the time it is created, the world created, till today, one thing was constantly there is Vivaswan Manave Praha. First I told this knowledge to whom? This Imam Vivasvate Yokam Proktavan Aham Avyayam. Because why? He was the first one with whom the knowledge is present and it will never become absent. And that is the reason why even marriage, the fire of the sun is considered as the Sakshi. Anybody else may turn around and say that, no, I never saw you marry. But Agni Sakshi. Agni is a Sakshi. So therefore every day they create this fire in praise of Lord Sun and offer things to that fire, Agnihotra Karma, saying and then taking the vow or the resolve that what I do, what I say in front of this fire is always true. That's why in front of the fire you should not say anything wrong or anything bad or anything which is false. That's why in the past, even when Sugriva was taking a resolve or taking the friendship, pact with Rama, fire was created. And in front of the fire, Sugriva agreed that I will take care of your problem, you take care of my problem. Agreement, friendship arrangement. So nowadays you have that, it's called prenuptial agreement, postnuptial agreement. And go to the lawyer and then sign this. There is no lawyer there, only fire. In front of fire, what you say is valid. Sa Agnigotra Puraskrutaha Muhurmuhu Maduraya Sneha Samraktaya Gira by the words of which is polite and very beautiful. Kushalam cha avyayam tvam kushalam, your welfare cha eva sa upadhyaya purohitam, along with all the upadhyayas, all the counselors and all the priests, he had asked for. Afterwards, Prishtva kushalam avyagram Vaideho Mithiladipah Kaushikanumati Vakyam Bhavantam Idam Abrivit. Afterwards, Parasaram Prishtva kushalam avyagram, having asked. Prishtva, having asked Kushalam Abhyagram Vaideha Mithiladipah Kaushika Anumate, with the permission of Vishwamitra, Vakyam Bhavantam Vakyam Idam Abravit. For you, he asked this also. What is it? Now comes the main subject. First is welfare. And afterwards, now I am going to tell you why for we came all the way. We didn't come here, how are you? Fine, let me go. That's not the idea. We came here for a different purpose. First ask for welfare, and now we have to give you a news. Before that, please give us some juice. No, not that. No, yeah. Purvam pratikya vidita Virya shulka mamatmaja Rajanasya krita marshaha Nirvirya vimuki kritaha Seyam mama sutarajan Vishwamitra puraskritaihi Yadrichaya gatai rajan Nirjita tava putrakaihi Taccharatnam dhanurdivyam Madhye bhagnam mahatmana Ramena hi mahabaho Mahatyam janasamsadi Asmai deya maya sita Virya shulka mahatmane Pratiknyam tartumichami Tad anukyatum arhasi Sopadhyayo maharaja Purohita puraskritaha Shikramagaccha badram te Drashtum arhasi ragavau Pratiknyam mama rajendra Nirvartayitum arhasi Putrayor ubhayor eva Pritim tvam Pritim tvam anupalapsyase Evam videhadipatim No, एवं विदेहाधिपतिः मधुरं वाक्यमब्रवीत् विश्वामित्राभ्यनुज्ञातः सदानन्दमते स्थितः. Purvam, earlier, Vidita Pratignya. It is a very well known Pratignya, resolve taken by Janaka, which is that Mama Virashulka Mamatmaja. My daughter is Virashulka, a gift of valor. And Rajanascha, various kings that who have come to attempt on this, Krita Amarshaha, they become extremely disappointed. Because they could not win the hand of Sita, because they could not prove their prowess or their power by breaking or even lifting the bow. Therefore, Nirvarya, they were returned, sent back, Vimukhi Kritaha, they have become, Vimukhi Krita means failure. They failed, they turned away and went away, and therefore, this was very well known. There was a certain amount of lull in the whole thing, and then Janaka was not very happy about nothing is happening to his daughter as such. Sa iyam mama sutta rajan Vishwamitra puraskradaihi yadrijya agadaihi rajan nirjita tapaputrakaihi. By your sons, here plural is given, though there was really only Rama had won the hands of Sita. Tavaputrakaihi, by your sons, yadrichaya agataihi. They were not supposed to be there, Yadrichaya. By chance, Agataihi, Tavaputrakaihi, by your sons who came by chance, Vishwamitra Puraskritaihi, those who came with Vishwamitra in front of them, Nirjita, they won. Mamasuda Nirjita, Sa Mamasuda Iyam Nirjita, Iyam Mamasuda Sa. This daughter of mine was won over by these sons of yours who just came, without being told, by chance, and who were accompanied by Vishwamitra. And what did they do? Tacha there, they also, Ratnam Danur Divyam Bhagnam Mahatmana Ramena. Ramena Mahatmana Bhagnam. This Danu, Divyam Danuhu, Ratnam, that is so precious Danu, Mahatmana Ramena Bhagnam. By him it was broken. Where? Mahatyam Janasantadi Madhye. Madhye, in the middle of Mahatyam. Mahatyam, Mahati, Ikaranta Strilinga. In seventh case it become Mahatyam, Nadyam. Mahatyam. In the middle of these very assembled people, Janasamsadi Mahatyam, Janasantadi, Sansadi, He Mahabaho, Ramena Mahatmana, Tanur Divyam Ratnam, Bhagnam. It was broken. Therefore, Sita Maya Asmai Deya. Asmai for him. Asmai Ramaya. Mahatmane. Mahatmane become Mahatmane for Bhagavate. Bhagavate here for Bhagavan. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Mahatmane. It will also decline like Bhagavat Shabda. Mahatman become Mahatmane. For Mahatman. Who? Mahatmane Asmai for him. Maya Sita, by me Sita Virishulka Deya. And therefore, thus Tad Anujnatum Arhasi. Therefore, Anujnatum Tumanna there. Anujnatum Arhasi, because it is capable. You are fit to give me that permission. For what? Pradignyam Dartum Ichchami. Dartum, again Ichchami, Dartum Ichchami. I want to fulfill the resolve that I have taken, that you need to allow that to happen. dartumichchami pratignyam tata tad ajnanam anujnatum arhasi. Sa upadhyaya maharaja purohita puraskritaha shigram agaccha. So therefore, along with your counselors, along with your priests, please come. Shigram agaccha. Badram te ragavo drashtum arhasi. You are to see Raghavau, meaning Rama Lakshmana. Both of them, drashtum. Drashtum, you to see, you ought to see, you come to see both of them. Pratignyam mama rajendra nirvartayitum arhasi. You are to fulfill, therefore, my resolve which I have taken. Putrayoho ubayoho pritim tvam upalapsyase. This is future tense. You will experience the joy of seeing both of your sons. Pritim, with joy, putrayoho ubayoho, both of your sons. Tum upalapsyase. Pritim, so you will get the joy of seeing both of your sons. Evam, this way, that's what, these are all narrated by these dutas. They say, therefore, Evam videhadipati maduram vakyam abravit Vishwamitra anugyataha Shradananda matestitaha, as per the advice given by Shradananda and with the permission of Vishwamitra. Evam videhadipati maduram vakyam abravit. This is what I was told. We were told to tell you. Thus they finished their narration. Dasharatha was really concerned. Suddenly this is unexpected things are happening here. I never expected these boys to go and bring their own wives. So he was to consult many people. This is true. Because I have no way of knowing what they are saying is right or wrong. So that's why they have the counselors or the mantris, everything around them, so that they will give the right advice. It's like, when you are going to a doctor and he gives a particular advice, I think I need to have a second opinion. Second opinion, third opinion, fourth opinion. Well, I am not sure what you are saying is correct or not. But it is not that Dasharatha was doubting that this has happened. But he sent both the boys to learn under Vishwamitra to gain certain skills and other things. But he was so delighted that he found a proper companion for himself. So therefore, Dutavakyam tu tachrutva Raja Paramaharshitaha Vasishtam Vamadevam cha Mantrinaschaivam abravit Guptaha Kushikaputrena Kausalyanandavardhanaha Lakshmanena saha bratra Videheshu vasatyasau Ishtaviryastu kagusso Janakena mahatmana Sampradanam sudayastu Ragave kartumichchati Yadivo rochate vruttam Janakasya mahatmanaha Purim gacchamahe shigram Ma bodkalasya paryayaha Mantrino vadamittyahuhu Saha sarve maharshibhihi Supridaschabravit raja Shvo yatredi cha mantrinaha Mantrinastu narendrasya Ratrim paramasatkrutaha Ushuku pramudita sarve Munai sarve samanvitaha. Chrutva, having heard. Dutavakyam Shrutva, having listened to, having heard these statements made by these all the messengers. Raja Paramaharshitaha. Raja, the king, who was extremely delighted. Vasishtam Vamadevam cha Mandrinascha evam abravit. He spoke to Vasishta as well as Vamadeva and all the other counselors. He said, Kaushikaputrena Kausalyanandavardhanaha. Kaushikaputrena Guptaha protected. Kaushikaputrena by Kushikaputrena by the son of Kushika, that is Kaushika, that is Vishwamitra. Vishwamitrena Guptaha, protected by Vishwamitra. Gupta means one who protects. People who keep the last name Guptas. They keep hoarding all the money. They are called Guptas. They are called Guptas. Protectors. They are also Kshatriyas, I think. Gupta. Maybe Vaishyas. Vaishya. So Vaishya means they are protector of money. Guptaha Kaushikaputrena Kausalyanandavardhana. And he also the delight, increasing delight for Kausalya. Lakshmanena Bratra Saha. Bratru Shabda, in the third case, singular become Bratra. Bratra Saha, Lakshmanena Saha, with Lakshmana brother along with him. Ratra Saha, Videheshu, in the city of Videha, Vasati Asau. He is now living in the Janakapuri or Videha, there. Videheshu, Videhaha, Videheshu. So it may be the whole territory of Videha, therefore it's plural number. Videheshu Vasadi Asau. They are living there, he is living there along with his brother. Janakena Mahatmana Drishtaviryastu Kakustaha. By Janaka, his prowess and valor has been seen. Drishta. Virya hai, drishta hai. Kiska virya hai? Kakusta hai. Kakusta hai, virya hai, drishta hai. And Ragave Sampradanam Sudayaha Sampradanam Ragave Kartumichati. So thus he Kartumichati, he was desiring to give his own daughter as Sampradanam, as an offering, Ragave for Raghava to Ramaya. They are Raghu, it's a Ukaranta Pullinga. So it become Gurave. Gurave, Raghu, Raghave, Raghu become Ragave. That is how it is. Raghava. So Raghave. So Sudayaha. Kakusta is the name of again. He is coming from the clan of Kakusta. Therefore he is called Kakusta. Is also Rama. Sampradanam Sudayastu Raghave Kartamichati. Yadi vo rachate. In case you people are rochate, you also wish. Ruch. To wish to have a taste. Rochate. In case vaha, all of you. Yadi, in case rochate. Janakasya vruttam. If you like the family of Janaka. Mahatmanaha Janakasya vruttam rochate. Then Shigram Kachamahe Purim. Then we will go to the city of Janaka. Kalasya Paryayaha Mabhut. Let there be no wasted time. Then if you all have agreed and accepted the clan of Janaka, then we all will immediately proceed on. Mantrinaha, what is after all this? Vadam. Good. Their answer is Vadam. Good. Mandrinah Vadamityahur Saha Sarva Sarvehi Maharshibhi, along with all the saints there were assembled. Supridaha Tada Pravid Raja. Shvaha Yatra. Tomorrow is the journey. Shvaha Yatra. Iti cha Mandrinaha. Mandrinaha, he spoke to them. And Mandrinastu Narendrasya Ratrim Parama Satkrudaha, preparing everything ready. The night Ushuhu Pramudita Sarve, they halted on the way, and then they are all of men of great virtues and values. Gunaihi Sarvaihi Samanvidaha Mandrinaha Narendrasya Ratrim Parama Satkrudaha Ushuhu Pramuditaha. They delighted they were. Finally, the boy is getting married. They are all worried for a long time. Now they are getting married. So now they are proceeding on to. Now this week we will have the marriage. Marriage. Sita Kalyan. This testing of your lung capacity. Aganita Gunagana Bhushana Rama Ashrita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhya Vasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatha Nandana Sri Rama Dashamukha Mardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukha Vardhana Rama Amita Palada Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Vallabha Sita Rama Jaya Raghu Rama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Patita Pavana Sita Rama Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Syavar Ramachandra ki Jai Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki Jai Umapati Mahadev